How to manage USB access on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage USB access on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this 3 points here in the top corner and then click settings, and now go down until you find this one, site settings, and then let's click this one, USB, and here you can manage USB access. And if you want to turn it off, just click on it, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And as you see, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.